My sorting works perfectly, and even if I filter something, I can sort it afterwards and I can filter it again, and none of the buttons break each other. But I would like a little bit of, say, UI candy. I would like to, when I click name, that name was kind of highlighted, that now it's sorting by name. And next time I click it, I would like to show like a symbol next to it that it's sorted in the opposite direction. So there's no new functionality here, I just want to display what's going on. So let's start with the which one am I sorting by. And I think the easy thing to do is to add a class to the one that I'm selecting. So for instance, if name here, if I'm sorting by name, then it would have a class sorted by. And that should be fairly simple, because when I click it, I have the event and I have the event target. So I could here say indicate active sort, and then I would just say the event.target class list and add the sorted by. You know, not sorted by, I'll call it sort by this one, because now it has the this class. So let's take a look. If I click name, then you see it has now the class sort by. But if I click type, then they both have the class sort by, and I want it to be removed from the old one. And how can I find the old element that had the class? Well, right now I actually can. Next time if I click name again, then it should remove it from the class from type. So can I see that type is the one that I'm sorting by? And yes, I can, because if I'm looking at the settings object, here I can see that sort by is type. And if I were to say, okay, document query selector, and I want to select the element that has this element here, and I can find that by it has the data sort type. So I want to find the one that has data sort equal to type, and that is this element here. And of course I could have this would be my variable, my sort by variable. So let's copy this into here, find old sort by element and const old element. That would be this one, but it wouldn't be the type here. It would need to be the settings dot sort by. And then I need a backtick like that. So this should find my old element, and then on the old element I want to class list remove the sort by class and remove sort by. So by making sure that I have the settings, because I haven't changed the settings object yet, I'm changing it here in the set sort, but now I can read what was the old value before. So let's see if I inspect all of them. If I click the name, then it has the class sort by. If I click type, then only type has the sort by. And if I click name again, it changes, and I can change all of them. So let's make something visible in the styles here, and I already have a class sort by. Oh, I didn't even know that. But why doesn't it work? Uppercase. Never use uppercase in class names. Where is it? Here, sort by. So now name works, and type, and description, and age. Well, that was surprisingly easy. I think I should celebrate by committing. So let's take a look at our status and git add the script and git commit added active sort by class. I think that explains it, at least to me. So now the next thing is having a symbol here next to showing the direction that it's sorting in. And I know that I can add something with the after thing in CSS. If I have this sort here and I select my sorting sort by, let's just call it that. Can I do it like this? Sort by, and then I use my colon after, and I say content descending, then it writes the text DESC. But if I write an arrow symbol, like, can I actually do that? Yes. So this would say, okay, here you have one going down, that is maybe going this direction, maybe that would be, I don't know, ascending, that would be most natural. And then I would have the other arrow going up. This one here for descending. So how can I select this element? I can select this element th sort by with the class sort direction is descending. And if I try to give it here in my CSS, I hope you can follow me. So here I'm having the same sort by, but then also it must have the data sort direction attribute with the value of ascending, and after that element there I want to put the content of not this symbol but an arrow going down. I think this is the symbol I like. And then the exact opposite of a descending going down. After that the arrow should point the other direction. And by having this sort by, I'm making sure that the arrows aren't on every single element. If we take a look here, it's on name, and when I click it, it changes the direction. And when I click type, there's no longer an arrow on the name. If I don't have the sort by class as another rule here, then it just shows, then it will show me arrows on all of them, not just the selected one. And I want just the one with the sort by class should have the arrow. Good. There might be this thing that maybe if I click name and then I want to sort by type and then I click name again, then it changes the direction. So maybe I only want to change direction when I click the same thing twice. I think that's a UX question. Do you want to keep sorting in one direction until you click the second time? So if you click name, then you have to click type, then you click name again and will sort by name, and then you would have to click name a third time to make it sort by name in the other direction. I don't know what is preferable. So at least it shows me the direction now, and I am pretty proud of that, so I'll commit. Let's look at the status. We only made changes to the CSS. That was amazing. Git add styles CSS. Git commit. Show sort by and sort direction on page.